Every week, Truffle Shuffle comes at you live from our kitchen studio to bring you the best in home cooking experiences. French Laundry trained chefs, Chef Jason and Chef Tyler, along with Jason's wife Sarah, are committed to bringing you the highest quality ingredients and, with the help of special guests, make cooking fun. Recently, they brought Snoop Dogg on to make fettuccine Alfredo. I caught up with the chefs to see what they thought of the class. Let's check it out.
Tyler over here, one of the co-founders over here at Truffle Shuffle, and psyched I get to cook with you every week.
I'm Jason. They called me the CEO. I'm the boss over here. I'm just trying to do whatever it takes to make sure that we keep the shit moving and keep people having an awesome time.
What was it like having Snoop Dogg on the show?
It was absolutely incredible.
There's only one way that I can describe it. Does that answer your question? My favorite moment about Snoop being on the class is when he expressed that there is no problem having a little truffle in the shuffle.
Ain't nothing wrong with the little shuffle with the truffle.
One of the things that I was most impressed about with Snoop, honestly, is his fairness in judging the rolling competition. He was a very fair judge, right? There was like zero corruption involved. And he really just took all things into consideration before making his decision, and he made it swiftly.
I'm pretty sure I like 100 of them. How many I'm supposed to break it down to?
We're gonna do maybe 2 or 3, and then do a little.
Out of all these great rollers, you want me to pick 2 or 3? Oh my God, I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna be. That doesn't. If I don't pick you, that don't mean you don't know what you're doing. It's just, we just picking 3 because I like a whole lot of y'all rolling techniques and skills and backdrops and visual effects and some of y'all smoke signals too. You dig?
He said we're all champions. That's correct. Yeah. But then still made a decisive decision and stood behind it.
I think I have a winner.
Oh snap!
Uh-oh.
All right. He has a winner.
Drum roll, please.
All right.
And the winner, with a spectacular roll, keeping it under control, while remaining full of soul, it is none other than Kelly Barlow.
Let's go, Kelly! Yes!
My favorite was we went to go play Gin and Juice, right? And I thought we had the song queued up, but we just had the instrumental. And then I was like, all right, well, let's roll it anyways. And then I just threw it out there. I was like, yo, maybe Snoop will rap over this. And you're not supposed to do musical performances over Zoom where like the audio's over here and someone's speaking over here. It just doesn't work. But dude, he started rapping and nailed every line.
Oh, snap! That's Snoop
It's kind of hard being Snoop Dogg up with you, but somehow, some way, keep coming up.
What's happening, y'all?
And that was so cool. There were no rehearsals for this. We basically just had kind of an idea that he'll come on and judge a rolling competition because he's one of the greatest rollers alive.
I can roll with one hand, one thumb. I can roll blindfolded. I can roll underwater without getting wet. I mean.
techniques.
And I told him too, I was like, hey, everyone that you see here, this is the Truffle Shuffle family. Thank you for hanging out with the Truffle Shuffle family tonight. And he's like, you guys got a great energy.
May the force be with you.
Yes. Awesome.
Snoop Yoda.
Cheers to that. We got Snoop Yoda over here.
Yoda.
Snoop Yoda's in the building.
Snoop Yoda in the building.
Hey, I love y'all energy. It was so much beautiful energy in here tonight. Shout out to everybody that participated. We're all winners tonight. You guys did an excellent job. I love the antics, the techniques, the outfits, the backdrops, all of the above. You guys did a great job tonight. The whole team wins. Every last one of you.
Now that we have set the precedent of having Snoop on the show, we can only go up from here.
While we're doing the Zoom class, we asked people what they wanted. They said Betty White, Justin Bieber. They told us the dishes that they want. So truly what's next is what the people want. It's just the start of this amazing adventure that I hope you guys will join us on.
Exciting things. Stay tuned.
Ain't nothing wrong with the little shuffle with the truffle.